Hi, Janelia So here. If you like sweets without the toxic ingredients like bleached flour and sugar, well, today I have a treat for you. I'm going to be making a superfood cake. Yes, a superfood cake. And the reason I call it that is because all the ingredients are rich in antioxidants and pretty much considered a superfood. And Santa Barbara chocolate is going to be the star ingredient. Now, this is a two-part video. In the first part, I'm going to walk you through the ingredients, and in the second part, I'm going to put it all together, bake it, and then do a taste test. All right, guys, are you ready? Let's go. Let me start by telling you about this delightful dark chocolate bar by Santa Barbara Chocolate. It is the cocoa fruit chocolate, which is sweetened entirely by the cocoa pod itself, so you can trust that it has no processed sugars. It is made with sustainably sourced fair trade cocoa beans, so you can use this product knowing you are supporting ethical and eco-friendly practices. Looking at the package, it is 72% dark chocolate. The main ingredient is unsweetened chocolate, so you can indulge guilt-free. Then we have the cocoa fruit juice, and a little bit of milk. So I recently started a ketogenic diet, and the cocoa fruit bar makes both a great bar to eat without spiking your insulin, and it's also incredibly awesome to bake with. So for the ingredients, we have 25 dates, half cup of maca root powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda, half cup of almond flour, half cup of olive oil, 1.5 cup of coconut milk. So I'm going to start by soaking the dates in the coconut milk for about 15 minutes. And in part 2, I'm going to put all these wonderful antioxidant rich ingredients together and actually bake the cake. Be sure to visit santabarbarachocolate.com to save 5% with discount code JanaliaSoul. Check out the link in my bio to learn more. Thanks for watching and see you in part 2. Bye.